pass the test. Come one, come all, it's time to play and learn about money the buddies way. Money buddies.
Hi, friends. I'm Melissa.
And I'm Nana.
Today we're going to talk about how to use your money on needs first. When people use their money, they're spending it on things they need to live, like clothes, food, or a home.
Clothes aren't essential.
Yeah, they are.
Well, I've never needed them.
Anyways, Nana, what would you do if you had a lot of money?
Oh, let's see. I'd buy a lot of candy and video games and maybe a trampoline. Yeah.
That sounds fun, Nana. But before adults can buy fun things, they have to take care of their needs. That's how they make sure everyone has what they need in order to live and be healthy.
So they buy the boring stuff first?
Well, it's not boring stuff. It's important. Let me show you.
Spending my money on needs sounds boring. I'm only gonna spend money on things I want.
You really think that's a good idea?
Uh-huh.
Well, let's try something. Here are 3 things, but you can only buy 2. Which 2 would you choose? A house, a toy car, and lights.
Well, definitely the toy car. That's so fun. And lights, I guess.
Okay.
This is no fun. Oh, man.
Would you like to change your answer?
Okay. I still want the car. But let's do a house instead of lights.
Okay.
Wait, I can't see. This is no fun either.
Would you like to try one more time?
Okay. Let's do the house and the lights. Oh, okay. That's pretty good. Yeah, I like that.
What did we learn?
So the house and the lights aren't fun, but maybe we need those in order to have fun.
Exactly. Needs aren't boring, but they are necessary.
Oh.
So, we learned that needs should always come first. They aren't boring, they're necessary. Can you say necessary? Great job! Kiernan's family loves going to the movies on Friday nights, but this week, a big expensive part on their car broke and it's going to cost money to fix it.
We wanted to go to the movies, but Mom said we had to wait until next week because we had to fix the car.
That's because grown-ups have to use their money for things the family needs first, like food for the week and keeping the lights on, or in this case, fixing the car. When adults make choices like that, they're being smart with their money. They're taking care of the family's needs before wants.
I get it. We can go to the movie theater next week, but tonight we'll watch your favorite movie together at home.
That's the spirit. Taking care of needs first makes room for wants later. When adults get paid, they have to decide what to spend it on first. Needs are the things that help families live, and those always come before wants. That's how grown-ups make sure everyone's safe, healthy, and happy.
Let's play a game. I'll show you a picture, and you tell me if it's a want or a need. Ready? Let's go. First up, what about a house? That's right, a need. How about this? Candy. Yeah, that's a want. We don't need that. How about medicine? Yep, that's a need as well. All right, last one. A family trip to the Grand Canyon. That sounds super fun, but that is a want. Great job, guys.
Adults use money to make sure everyone has what they need first. Now it's your turn, Money Buddy. Talk with your family about the things they spend money on.
My mom and dad pay for all our bills first.
My parents say paying for school and food comes before toys.
We buy groceries every week and pay for the house. We use money to keep the lights on.
See how families use their money for needs. Which ones are needs? Which ones are wants? You can even make a list or draw a picture together.
I drew water, a house, and breakfast.
Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. That is a need. What did you draw?
I drew food, clothes, and air.
Oh yes, those are very important. What did you draw?
A PlayStation 5 and a baseball field. I want to own the Braves.
Those are wants.
I drew a sun, I drew eyes, and I drew broccoli.
Those are needs. Is water a want or a need?
A needle.
Good job, that's a need.
Air.
Is air a need?
It's a need.
Good job.
A t-shirt.
Is a t-shirt a want or a need?
I think it's a need.
Good job, that's a need.
A light McQueen.
Is Lightning McQueen a want?
A need. It's a house, and a house is a need.
Good job, everyone! You see, friends, using money isn't just about spending. It's about spending wisely on what really matters.
That's right. And once we're done spending on our needs, we can deposit what's left over to save our money and watch it grow.
That's right, Sam. Next time, we'll learn how to deposit our money too, after their needs are taken care of.
Yep. We'll see you next time for episode 3, Deposit.